My name is Jeff Bosma, and I'm the president of Fastway Freight. And we're a small LTL, less than truckload company out of Spokane, Washington. We use about 250,000 gallons of diesel a year, and that average price is pretty close to $4 a gallon. So you're looking at $1 million worth of fuel for our company, and we're a smaller company, about 55 trucks. So that's a big number on a yearly basis. 250,000 gallons represents $25,000 if it goes up a dime. Even if we run into one of the neighboring states, we probably have purchased our fuel in the state of Washington. So we would be at the disadvantage of buying that higher priced fuel versus a fleet who's based out of state, comes into the state, delivers, picks up freight, and then leaves again. You think about where that puts Washington-based companies at such a disadvantage.